Epic Boss Productions presents Dangerous Jamaican Bank Robbery Movie starring Sister Petra. Epic Boss.
I wonder if I have everything, my ID and everything. Jeremiah! And my fear. Jeremiah!
Yes, my wife.
Come here, honey. Oh, no.
So you're ready already, my wife?
Yes, I'm ready to leave. I'm just telling you that I am ready.
So who is going to follow you go to the bank?
Nobody is going to follow me. I'm going all by myself.
Wife, what make you so stubborn, my wife?
With what? What you talking about,
You
Jeremiah?
alone cannot go to the bank, my wife. You collect 500,000.
Why are you broadcasting it? What is wrong with that, huh? I want to go by myself.
Wife, that is not a good idea.
What do you think I should do then, Jeremiah? You worried about everything.
Why you don't call Petra and make Petra follow you?
I don't know. I don't want to see her so hurt.
You know, say you're a stubborn old lady. You're a very stubborn old lady, you know.
Why are you saying these things, Jeremiah? We just come from abroad. Why should I call her already to bother her? You don't understand, you know. You don't understand.
My wife, I don't think it is safe.
Okay.
You are going to travel.
Lord have mercy, Jeremiah. Okay, bring the phone to me. Let me call her.
Well, listen, call Petra, my wife.
My God, what is wrong with you? We just got here. I don't want to be a burden to anybody.
But what I'm saying, my wife, call our daughter Petra. You understand? That will make me feel much better.
Okay,
to know that she's following you.
Jeremiah, I'm on the phone. I hear you. Lord have mercy. I can't make me one decision. Hello, Petra? How are you? You turn off the TV? I'm asking you if you could come with me. I'm going to the bank this morning and your father said I should ask you. You cannot come? What happened? You're busy. Alright, good. Alright, do what you have to do. Don't worry about me. I will go on my own. I'm leaving out now and maybe I'll be back about 2 o'clock or after 2. Alright? And then you can come and look for me. Alright, baby? Bye-bye. Yes, Jeremiah, you see?
You want me to follow you?
I don't want you to come with me.
I could hurry up and go change
No, Lord have mercy, Jeremiah, it is okay. Alright? I want to go and feel the cool breeze on me one. I want to feel what Jamaica is like on me one.
It is not safe, my wife. Lots of robbery taking place, you know, my wife. You don't watch the news.
Yes, but listen, you don't have to worry about me. As long as I have the Lord beside me, it is alright.
I understand,
you hear
my wife,
me?
but I am only looking for your best
interest. I know
wife.
that. Well, alright.
You must be so stubborn, man. Make me just go change off that shirt.
Honey. Alright, tell you what. I can see it in your face that you're so tired. So here, the next time I am going, I promise, I will take you with me. You hear me? Don't worry yourself.
Why you always a try to soft soap me? You know it work for me now, my wife.
Well, if you want to say that, it is okay. Alright? I'll be back, man. What you want me to bring back for you? Tell me what you want me to bring back for you. I'm not going to be long.
Me no feel good to make you alone go on the road and collect 500,000, my wife.
My husband, don't worry about it. I am safe in the hands of the Lord. Alright? Don't worry about me. Alright, baby? I won't stop, you know. Alright, I'm going to hurry and come back. Alright, baby? I'll call you as soon as I get through.
Alright, my wife.
Alright, give me a little juice. I love you, you see?
Sure.
Oh, God.
Safe journey, and remember to pray.
Thank you, honey. I will. Alright, have a good day.
Yes, my wife.
Jeremiah, him getting me so upset, you know. Jeremiah think I'm a young baby. I don't need anybody to guide me. I understand that he's so caring, but I want to do things on my own.
How old you starting?
Mama, me a call me, man, about me this early morning, man.
So your mother did come from foreign?
Yeah, she did come yesterday.
So you not give me no money nor nothing?
Give what kind of money? Give what me not have?
66.
Me not no 66, 55. You don't know mama, man. When mama come, you mama just call me and tell me about say me fi follow her go up a bank. Me not
So you
gonna
never go with her and she could have give you money, you know?
Give me what kind of money? You don't know how much money mama give me when he come here.
How much?
I'm going like the whole world in do for you. $100 US and feel good.
So that no 15,000 Jamaican you know should happy.
Tell me something, 15,000 Jamaican dollar can buy food for him? He can buy it.
But at least he can stop a gap.
He can't stop a gap. Well, listen to me. Me now run go to mama for make she feel say. With the little chum change wine they give me is all that.
Should have my mother give me that?
Then that is you. Go ungrateful if you want, but me not going anywhere. She call me about 50 dollar go bank. Me not going nowhere with her, man. Pass. You don't know mama, man. Pass again. Mama, I want original. Mama, them have money, you know. And mama, them go on like say they don't want give me some of the money what they have. Me win. But come to think of it, you know. I tell you, you know. Mama, them halico sitting here, you know. I mean, no, say no little dibby money, mama, they go collect a bank, you know.
So now that's why you should have follow her and you can get the money.
My youth, you half key right there, sir. You not pick up what me I try to say to you, you know. Remember say me and you are a man and girl. I lie. So you not pick up what me I say. Mama, I want to go generally and papa when me have money. They up there and they will make me hungry and they give me one little noops of money. I'll give me one little $4,000. Go and buy a night dinner. I can't even buy a proper night dinner, you know. But what me I try to say to you, I talk to you, you know. On a serious note. So why you know make we go down the road, go take it off of mama.
We are say, you don't want to rob your mother?
Yo, Tapina is the boss, you know that me I tell her, man. Me say we want papa off the money off of mama, because me know say when mama come I want the bitty no give me out tight and I will leave him.
A joke you make, don't you?
Me look like me I run joke. Me serious boss. Tell me something. Me tired of see how wear them clothes here. You know see the kind of clothes them what the boy them are wear now and the socks them they look good. And you not buy a socks. So at least you can buy a socks if I'm a few suit. We got town go buy something.
So you really don't want to rob your mother?
Yo my youth. Me look like more than come to you with that man. Mama them a want like a general man and me no in no joke. You understand what I say? If you hear me tell us if you do the thing, man, do it. Me know say I don't nothing normal. Mama go pick up a bank, you know.
So I
That's
don't know
why
much
she
money
want
you
me.
feel if you have a job.
All $1 million mama withdraw.
So much money?
Oh, mama money, you know. And what at me, you know, you have to understand, you know. Me say me we go up there, yes, me can eat and drink. Me want me one money for buy food and me want out. Mama we give me say I want the $3,000 say go and buy a night dinner. Mama but this I can't do nothing. Mama say me ungrateful. And I talk about when you have to work in a coal, like me say now go up there to go work in a coal. And that the talk of the town every day then come down here. But then you have to work in a coal like we force them, put whip round them back and say go out in the coal, go work. You understand me? Me grateful for what they give me, but that, what you see that can do in a Jamaica, man?
That if my mother travel, you know, cause my mother that give me a whole heap of thing, you know.
And for me now give me no whole heap. Suppose you see all the old people clothes they want hot girl like me if you wear. Eh? You think she a go buy this a sexy clothes you give me for wear? Mama carry some big old clothes when all some boots. Suppose you see the boot them. Big off of me foot like I say she get them from somebody.
So what me I say right now, right?
Eh.
So we I say, you with a robber and watch the place.
You look like you up your son and go and go there now. You fool, mama know me and mama know me look. So me can't go rob me one man. And you don't do the robbing and me do the peeping.
You never do that yet.
You never do it but you go learn.
So what if 5 old me what go happen this?
Listen to me. And this so we come on to know with the serious part. You know say if most of the time you know say most people get away. So we are going to get away too.
Oh,
but
you know so we are going to get away in
because you are going to do it like you have.
So in case we get old,
in
you go down with it.
Go down with what? You want name the fall, man. You want take the way I laugh at, man.
Are you?
Yo, you're the man, you know, you say you're the real man.
Are you Jack B right here?
Yeah, but you're the real man.
I know, but that's a bit of it, you know.
But why me should have, you know, so
why?
something say to you,
But what me
that
I
you
say?
skin your teeth like a joke thing.
But what me I say? You want to set me up, you know.
Me not set you up, my youth, that's why you have to do the thing professionally. You're there skin your teeth. If we dey go down, you want take the fall and then me will come look for you and hear everything at jail. And that them boy do, man. So you're going like you're idiot.
But,
and in Jamaica, you know. You take the fall, me come give you your food and sit down at the same
When I lay this down, right? Me, they have good in their place, so nice, damn me know.
Yeah, I feel pecky.
Me, I get a little food from my mother, and me work, I get a little change.
The little change.
Yeah.
Why you
alright.
You can't take care of it. You alright. You can't take care of me with a little chum change why you
me I say, me alright, and now me I go follow you go for robbery. And now, if anything, me get catch, me get life sentence and you out
here. You know, my youth. If I don't kill you, I go kill my mother, my youth. Me tell you to kill my mother. Me don't want that strike.
So why we come down to that? I mean, I have to give her a can.
Oh, you mean give me mother a can? You have a can? You have a send can?
You don't know how, oh, you mean, so me now go lick my virgin for one little two.
Well, listen to me. Me say don't touch my mother. The point is, me say to take the money. If the fall come, you want take it, me use some of the money and carry some money come at jail, come buy food here or something. And you still don't say, I know you would do it. If anything, if you go down. When them a kill you and a torture you, my youth, you don't know that. Say you don't know about it. Me and you did up here play that. Me know.
Well, look like I'm not the first robbery for you, you know.
Yo, it's the first robbery for me, but because I study things just like how other youth study it. So what me I try to say, I mean I'm not joke with you, bossy. You talk about when you go down, if me have to go down. You're an idiot, who I go help who? You can't put me in it, my youth. You understand me I say? So you take the fall if you go so, but me I tell you say, look how much young youth get to so make as we don't do it, we are going to get poor.
Because we don't lucky like them.
Well, listen to me. Well, you lucky sucker, you are going to get through, alright? So yeah, you know, what time now? Mama tell me say she come back about 2
after 11 now.
After 11?
Yeah.
Alright, so mama says she come back about 2 o'clock after 2. So we are going to play some game and we want you to go and pray out and deal with the thing. Yeah. You understand what I say?
Before them like them, you know, want egg.
My youth, you talk about serious business, you about 4 leg, man. We don't want a 4 leg this morning. Because we want tomorrow morning we have something.
That's steak you want.
Steak and sausage and all of that spread up on the table, my youth. Now come to me about the 4 leg, man. Me don't want a common 4 leg, my youth. Me want the layer 4 leg them this tomorrow morning, man. You understand? And you laugh over this thing like all wrong thing. Me tell you me say it to you, about.
You see a wrong thing.
You can't pose when I me win.
Me distracted.
You're distracted, but you don't think so. My youth, you make me feel like me feel uncomfortable.
About shut up with him, man. Don't worry
yourself. No, but man. You don't look like you're professional for this. You look like.
Never do it yet, but me watch movie, right?
Movie?
What do you mean?
No, but if you do watch movie, you wanna talk like this.
Yeah, but actually your mother make me laughing if it was somebody else.
Over. So tell me something. I mean, the first one ever robbed me, ma?
No, me not say no.
The amount of somebody 3/4 win of the world I rob their mama.
But when me I say
and no for them kill their mama. Me not kill it because if you make a strap, don't make a, nothing a strap on her head.
But me not expect that from you.
Well, now you expect. Look here, you can't trust nobody nowadays. You hear me I say? You can't trust nobody. Because a man, we there with the woman right now. And the woman there with another man and set up the man to kill the man and sleep with the man and love the man too, you know. But because the other man give him a bigger food, he lie down with the man and know say him a go come dead tonight.
So you do the same thing to me if you are stealing. It's a big robbery.
Yo, it's because me love you, my youth. And me want better for you.
If me get a big food from your mother, right? And the app with that say, me give you a little 3/4 because of my life in a jeopardy and me give you a little piece of the food, right?
A little piece?
Yeah.
Share that
so that means that you that said, what if you come knock me out then?
Moon do that to you, my youth. How much years me there?
But you said you can't trust nobody, so me don't can't trust you for this as it.
But look here, you all a smile to show you say you're not even serious or hurt around. We can't talk about serious business, boss. You're asking off your teeth, man. You make me all inside of my heart feel nervous. Like you will chat for me, you know.
Everything.
No, but you don't look it. You don't look like everything good. You don't look so. It's like our worst mistake this may ever make.
I never do. I link my virgin and gun but your mother and fire 2 shots.
And the same thing me I tell you.
That never do.
Stop raising the voice for me, no boss. You hear the same thing me talk to you before.
Where
you
you
say me
say?
don't want a straw in her head
So
her.
that
the
doesn't
only
like a
thing you have to do-
professional.
what you
That
mean?
look like me know her. Me have to conquer with something.
Conquer what? You
Listen.
can't conquer all the man, so you conquer my mother and kill her.
Me nah conquer if kill her. Me go just
I want
tap her
thing, look here.
and fire 2 can
Listen to
over
me,
her
say don't
head.
touch my mother. If you know say I go touch her, nobody me could deal with it.
Well, nobody me could deal
You
with
understand what
it.
me I say?
No, listen me, nobody me could deal with it. Because it a go look like me know her if me not do
Stop
something.
your foolishness
Listen to what
about.
me I say now. You see, if me not touch her or do nothing, it a go look like say me know her or somebody close to her.
Look.
When me conquer her, do something now and fire 2 can and make she run or do something or drop down or something.
You can't do that to an old man. The least you could chance them get them dead, man.
So, hold on, what you a plan for me do then? Since you
You just go and hold her up and tell her to give you all of the money and something.
So what if she
After your
resist?
purse and something.
What if she
You
resist?
ever see how people are resist and they're afraid for them? Like, they soon dead and they're afraid for them. Like, they're afraid for them. They hear me?
Okay.
You never know that.
Alright.
Well, now you know.
Okay.
So tell you what, you could go shuffle myself and pray out the ends and all of this when we done this again. Because this are those 6 or 5 me gone from here right now. I don't like how you also lay them out the thing, my you. Like,
Nah, lay me out, but me like when time things look professional when me
you
do
don't
things.
sound, but you yourself don't sound professional.
Because me never do it yet. I try, me go try.
You're not going to try it. You're going to do something. A real something. This is not a movie, you know, you. A reality, this, you know.
Yeah.
So welcome to reality. So you know, so when you go to it, but I go on like you're nervous and not trembling. You understand what I say?
Or yourself, me have this government man.
I hope so. Just deal with the game, you could get you shit out of this.
One me come.
Alright, you win. Game, bro.
So what you gonna do
I
now?
can leave and go pray out the ends of which route we go there.
Alright.
Oh Lord, it was a productive day today. Thank you, Jesus. Oh, I wonder what my husband is doing today. I hope him know that everything all right. I'm going to call him to let him know that the tilers, they can come tomorrow to start the building, to finish upstairs. Oh Lord. Oh. 2 foot is killing me. Oh, thank you, Lord, for today. Hurry up and come now, my youth. Hurry up and come. How where you there do so long? How where you did there? You not get it sitting and see your friend?
What mean if me not get it?
Oh, you have it. So, where the rest of stuff them there?
What you talk about?
So, fool, you not care the rest of gears them pick up yourself.
So me can't go see him with so.
You idiot! Then you don't know, say mama know you. Lord God is a good thing. Say me have everything lock. Oh, you not no sense, so. Put back his thing in your clothes. You not no sense. Put this up on your head, man. And see me carry one kerchief you feel. And this have to put, to cover up your eye. Because you know, say you can't hide much. And you have to put on the glass. Wipe off your face of the glass. And wipe in your clothes. You don't act like you're professional in this and I hope you not take your coward self and make cold food kill you, you know.
What do your mommy not tell us me have this govern?
Have this governor, hope so. You feel I want the rasta do. Why you continue to take all these things so far? You know say
you feel good in a man. You want
feel
Wally?
Wally, we at it. You might make a touch. It feel nice. But me now want you to there show you upside and next thing you see people see and go chat to you. You feel like a dad. You feel like a dad.
How we are going to do this tonight?
And you fit tell me where me fit turn up. Where you want me hide
You
it?
can't make she see you know.
Me know say she can't see me because she know me.
So when me do the damage, me come meet you. Already you're going in the bush just to go stay till me do it.
Okay.
Understand?
Yeah, so me will watch so. And if you hear me go, ooh, ooh, you know say somebody they come.
Alright.
But if you hear me go, you know say she they come. Yeah. If she walks up.
I hope you so she a come from.
Oh, me think say should I walk through the shortcut.
But if even she walk through the shortcut, you can't make she see you none at all.
Oh, so me can't make no noise. Alright, no worry
Can't make
yourself.
no noise,
Me
man.
they go hide there so. She soon come by this, you know. So you go and go hide off yourself.
Alright, here we go on.
Yeah.
Go in the bush just so. You go right, you have to go hide.
Alright, baby, later. going to do the tiling in the next room upstairs. Yes, and see if they can come tomorrow. I got through, man, this teller. Yes, him deal with me very well. Lord of mercy, I'm so glad that I get through.
Hang up your phone.
Sir, please don't kill me. I have my daughter and my husband to live for. I beg you. Ow! Ah!
Give me everything in my bag.
Sorry, you lick out.
Give me everything in my bag.
See the bag here, see the money with the purse.
Where's the money that we have?
I don't have any more money, sir.
See, look like money in your boots on this. Take them out.
Sorry, you hit the
take them
whole
out.
lady in there, in my head so hard, sir. Oh my, sir, the money is to do it. Sir, the money is to fix
Have a good mind.
house.
Finish what you're saying now.
Don't do nothing to me, sir, I beg you.
hear
I'm
me say?
living for my daughter and my husband.
I don't care about
Sir,
that.
give me back the money because I have to do my house. Oh, God, murder! Murder! Oh, God, help me!
Like a good amount of food, you know. Right. Come tell me, say no lick. It's not easy. I hid the office before she had come in.
Yo! Me and me mama de balo. Ali can lick me, ma. Me say if I lick you, lick me, ma.
What you do?
Me say,
What you
do? Shot me. Me say if you shoot me. Me say if I lick you, lick mama. You
Listen.
know you me say then you put your hand for mama. Shoot me.
Me have to make this real, you know.
Me
How are
for
you?
real.
Me tell you, say me
really
have to conquer.
your head off of your body, you know. You hear me say no put your hand for me, ma. You think me no hear me mother the ball or murder. And like you lick me, ma. You don't have respect for all people.
Oh, 500,000 me get, you know.
500,000. You better make sure. How you come out of that?
So me not check it.
How you come out of it? You know should have wait until me come. Me not tell you not do nothing without me.
Well, listen,
Give me it too, man.
my cut
Give me
out
it
of that, you know.
Give what kind of cut out height? I shouldn't even give you so much height neither. Take this off from me. No fry you, so. I tell you, you put back your hand
Yo.
from me, man, make a lick of bed off of your body.
See me. Mind how you are going with, you know.
What I mean, man, you can't shoot me. Come on, angle like you. Turn down the angle where you go.
Now go down the road, you know.
Where you go?
Up here from me, I go.
Alright, later. Look by you too.
To be continued.
Some boy too becky. Anything we no have, we no run down. We no coconut juice, we love run down. When chopper chop street, enough money have to run. Some boy just have a beggy syndrome. Anything we no have, we no run down. We no coconut juice, we love run down. When chopper chop street, enough money have to run. Some boy just have a beggy syndrome. Every photo out me, I tell you no lazy. Some boy want spoon feed like them a baby. Get up and go fi where you want, you no lady. Yeah, you them shoulda kill first in a slavery. Me no love man, me no want to no rate me. Check me profile, who no girl a date me. Remember the zinc fence and the boardhouse. When rain a fall, the good fire out. Anything we no have, we no run down. We no coconut juice, we love run down. When chopper chop street, enough money have to run. Some boy just have a beggy syndrome. Anything we no have, we no run down. We no coconut juice, we love run down. When chopper chop street, enough money have to run. Some boy just have a beggy syndrome. You must be blind every day you come and beg me. I'll tell you from now, hard foot say a keg. Stand in your lane, keep yourself to yourself. Play a hero, you get your skull crack like egg. When top notch out, them lock straight. Money sweet like oh mama pot sweet. Some boy can't keep up, job slip. Pink star run wrist, that not cheap. Anything we no have, we no run down. We no coconut juice, we love run down. When chopper chop street, enough money have to run. Some boy just have a beggy syndrome. Anything we no have, we no run down. We no coconut coconut juice we love run down. When chopper chop street, enough money up he run. Some boy just have a beggy slim drum. Every photo out me I tell you no lazy. Some boy want spoon feed like them a be a big. Get up and go fi where you want, you no lady. And you them shoulda kill first in a slavery. Me no love man, me no want to no rate me. Check me profile, who no girl a date me. Remember the zinc fence and the boardhouse. When rain a fall, the good fire out. Anything we no have, we no run down. We no coconut juice, we love run down. When chopper chop street, enough money up you run. Some boy just have a beggy syndrome. Anything we no have, we no run down. We no coconut juice, we love run down. When chopper chop street, enough money up you run. Some boy just have a beggy syndrome.